Hey everybody, I'm going to be opening the Barbie Dreamtopia. It looks like a scuba diver. So she has kind of a pinkish hair, comes with 2 fish, and all these accessories. I love the treasure chest, and it says that it does stuff. I can't wait to see. And a super cool see-through sparkly ski jet. So I'm going to open it right now. Dreamtopia. Let's get this open. Okay, wow, that is amazing. So, wow, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's get the plastic off of it. And there is the jet ski. Okay, it has wheels on the bottom that move so that you can move her around. It has a seat belt that works, and I guess this is to hold her wrist so she'll stay in. It's really neat. I can't wait to see what all it does. Okay, let's cut the Barbie out. Her hair is beautiful. It's kind of like pinkish purple stripes. It's very long and it's real shiny. I just really love her hair. And I love her face. Her head moves around and her arms go out so that she can swim, probably scuba dive. And let's see if her suit comes off. Oh wow, it does. So it has Velcro to come off. It is beautiful. And her legs don't go out very far. They go forward, but they don't go out very far. And she has flat feet. So let me get the rest of the stuff out. Gosh, her hair is just beautiful. Beautiful. So I'll get everything out. Okay, here is everything that was in it. So I'll show you each thing. And this is awesome. I love that it's see-through, and I can't wait to try it out. It came with a treasure chest that opens, and let's see, it closes and you turn this handle. Oh, look what happens. A starfish comes out. You close it and turn it again, and then it's gold. Starfish, gold. I really love the treasure chest. So it came with a dolphin, and the box shows that it's, if you put water in it, or if you put it in water and squeeze it, air bubbles come out its mouth. See its mouth hole? So I'm going to try that. And here's a smaller, I guess it's a baby dolphin, and it does the same thing. It's blue. It came with a little dog with a pink flower in its hair, and it has a hole on bottom so that it can go on this snowboard. It's a board for the water. What do you call that? A water board? I don't know. So she's got her vest. It's got tape on it. Let me take the tape off. So it's really pretty. It's like a see-through pink color. And it's got little ties on the side so you can tighten it up or loosen it to put it on her. It's a silver, oh, it's so pretty. A silver necklace. These are so cute. See-through blue flip-flops. and her scuba gear for her feet. It's got a hat and her snorkeling mask, and also a gold necklace. So I'm going to put them on her. Okay, Barbie, let's put your vest on. Put it over her head. Okay, and it goes around her waist. Okay, pull her hair out. Okay, and it has, if you put her arms up, it has little buckles, and you put the buckles in the hole on each side, and then you can tighten it. It makes little click noises when it tightens. There we go. So her vest is on. Could be a little tighter, but okay. And I'm going to put the hat on her. Well, I'm going to put her flip-flops on because she's going to get in the water jet ski. Oh, they're so cute. There's her flip-flops. I hope you can see them. They're really cute. And go ahead and put her hat on. So there's her hat. And I'm going to go ahead and put her on the jet ski, even though she's got her vest on. Because what she's going to do is she's going to drive around and look for a place for treasure. Take this, unbuckle the seatbelt, and I'm going to take her flip-flops off. One already fell off. So we're going to put her in it, in the seat, and buckle her in. Okay, she's buckled in, and then her arm goes in this attached. Okay, there she is. She's completely in it, and she's got her hat on, her seat belt is buckled, her hand is on the thing, and it has wheels so she can roll around. It's really cool. See, she doesn't come out. There's the wheels. And it is absolutely beautiful. I love it so much. Oh, wow. I'm so glad I got it. Now, she is going to take the jet ski out into the water and look for a place to look for buried treasure. All right, come on, Barbie. Let's go scuba diving. The scuba diving mask has a little buckle on it too, so that you can tighten it around her head. Here she comes. Barbie's swimming. She's scuba diving, looking for treasure. Good job, good job. I think she sees a fish. Here it comes. Oh, look, a fish is swimming up next to Barbie, and she's gonna pet it. Oh, it's a dolphin. Oh, wow. Oh, there's another fish coming. It's a little blue baby. Is it a blue shark, a blue whale, or the dolphin's baby? But it's letting her pet it too. Okay, it's time to look for the treasure. Barbie's going to look down, see if she can find the treasure. She found it. She found the treasure box. There it is, Barbie. It's down there. It's down there. Wow. Barbie found the treasure box. There it is. I'm so excited. Okay, let's take it up to the top. Ready? It's got handles. Let's take it up to the top, Barbie. Barbie's at the top now. Take off her ski mask. She's all excited. She's got the treasure up. And she noticed that her dog was waiting for her. What are you doing? You don't need to be up here. Get back on land. Okay. So let's see what's in the treasure chest. Let's open the treasure. Let's see what's in the treasure chest, Barbie. Turn the wheel. Wow. Look, it's a starfish. And here comes the dog. He wants to see. He wants to see what you found. I'm going to stay over here near Barbie. Good boy. Good boy. What else is in there? It looks like there's something in the bottom. There is. Look, we found treasure. We found treasure, Barbie. How exciting. In the treasure chest was all kinds of jewels and gold. And look, and also a beautiful silver necklace. Isn't it beautiful? She's such a pretty Barbie with a beautiful swimsuit. There were also a gold jewel necklace. It's so pretty. She loves the gold one too. So we're going to put some water in the new bathtub that I bought. So let me move everything over. And I'll show you what the dolphins do. Okay, let's see what the dolphins do in the water. Barbie can hang out right here. Oops. Okay, Barbie. You can sit in your... Barbie's going to sit there and watch what the dolphins do. Okay, let me move this. This is the shower for the bathtub, but I'm going to use it for the dolphins. And here's one of the dolphins, and you put it in the water and squeeze it, and it makes bubbles. Let me show you closer. Yeah. So you can fill it up, and then watch. The dolphin squirts water, or you can blow bubbles. Watch it blow bubbles. Or it sucks in water and blows the water out. Wow, that is so cool. Now the little blue one does too. So we'll see him. He's gonna blow some bubbles and suck in some water and blow that water out. Blow the water out. So they like it in the water. Whoops. Let's do this. Two little floaties. And I got this bathtub at Dollar Tree for $1.25, and it's really come in handy. So I hope you like this video of Barbie going scuba diving for her treasure chest. It comes with a lot of great stuff, and it was $29.95 at Walmart in North Georgia. Thank you so much.